Hi there. Today we're going to be connecting an Apple device to the Apple CarPlay feature in a Cadillac. First thing we're going to do, we're going to look for the Apple CarPlay symbol on the vehicle. So we'll click that and then connect the phone. After that, you want to go to your settings, Bluetooth. And you'll look for other devices. My Cadillac just popped up, so we'll click on that. Make sure that your numbers match. Then hit pair on both screens, sync your contacts, and then hit continue for the Apple CarPlay. Then connect on your cell phone. And with that, you're connected for the Apple CarPlay. From there, you are completely hands-free. All you have to do is press and hold down the hands-free talk to text button on your steering wheel. And through there, you'll be able to listen to music, request directions, make phone calls, and send text messages, all hands-free through your cell phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or you can visit us on Route 30 in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, or visit us at our website at smellcadillac.com.